The Ram 3500 is not a people mover. It is a work machine. And that is exactly the problem with most seat covers on it. Heavy-duty trucks see more daily climbing in and out, more gear and tool contact, and more temperature cycling than any light-duty truck on this list. People found that factory upholstery on a 3500 used for real work shows visible wear within 12 to 18 months. And here's what makes the 3500 different from the 1500. Trim variation is more extreme. Console position, headrest size, and airbag zone shift significantly from the base WT through the Limited. A cover built for the wrong trim slides around the console, bunches at the headrests, or sits over the airbag seam. Seat Cover Solutions builds the Ram 3500 cover to your exact trim, from Tradesman through Limited, with reinforced stitching built for the extra wear that comes from real HD use. Airbag-safe, heated seat compatible on Laramie and above. Tool-free install.